The 1962 GMC Carryall is a rugged and practical vehicle that played a significant role in the evolution of utility-focused automobiles. As a variant of the GMC Suburban, it combined passenger comfort with ample cargo space, making it a versatile choice for both families and businesses. Its boxy utilitarian design was typical of the era, emphasizing function over form while still maintaining a classic, timeless appeal. With seating for up to 3 rows, it could comfortably transport large groups, making it ideal for road trips, work crews, or even military applications. One of the standout features of the 1962 Carryall was its powertrain. The standard 305 V6 engine was known for its reliability and strong low-end torque, which made it well-suited for hauling heavy loads. Unlike many of its competitors that still relied on inline-6 engines, the Carryall's V6 provided a balance of power and efficiency. Paired with the Hydra-Matic automatic transmission, it offered a relatively smooth driving experience for its time. Today, restored models are highly sought after by collectors, with some undergoing modern upgrades while still retaining their vintage charm. Whether left in its original configuration or modified with contemporary enhancements, the Carryall remains a symbol of durability and practicality in classic truck culture.